Anna Redis, we had some rain, but it was really the wind that caused the most damage up here on Harold and Herreshoff streets here in Roxbury. I want to show you branches, leaves, and underneath this mess, at least a few vehicles that were crushed. This tree crushed the roof of this vehicle. This as people stop by taking pictures, amazed by all the damage.
That's kind of scary because it just happened so fast.
The vicious winds and heavy downpours brought down massive trees like these in Roxbury. You can barely see the cars trapped underneath all the leaves. This delivery driver says it's been quite a bumpy ride, dodging the branches and in some cases bricks that flew off buildings.
It's kind of crazy, you know, the cars are rolling over all the debris.
For others, it was the sound of the storm that was most alarming.
You heard lightning and thunder, right? And then swirl of wind, tree branches, banging up against the house.
In Hopkinton, the cars were crushed in the driveway, surrounded by branches and live wire. This neighborhood among the more than 200,000 families left in the dark as crews work through the overnight to restore power.
It was like a freight train. In fact, when the trees came down, I didn't hear the trees come down. The wind was so loud.
The evening thunderstorms were brief but caused widespread damage. This family says they're lucky to be unharmed.
Oh, I feel very lucky. This can all be replaced. Nobody was hurt. House is okay.
So when you're waking up in the morning, do not be surprised if you see downed trees, leaves, branches, debris everywhere, even trees toppled over on cars. Public Works crews really telling people that when you're cleaning up to be mindful of live wire because that can be very dangerous. Live in Roxbury, I'm Tiffany Chan for WBZ News.
Tiffany, thank